Alright guys, what's up guys, Blue678 here, and today I'm going to be doing the 24-hour fidget spinner challenge. And so pretty much what I'm going to be doing is be 24 hours spinning this fidget spinner, and right now it's 4:32 in the morning. I got my blanket, my pillow, and thanks for 42 subscribers. It means a lot to me. And yeah, wish me luck. And 24 hours starts now. Alright guys, well this next part is time-lapse because this took a long time and you don't want to watch 24 hours, so that's why it's time-lapse and it's really fast. And yeah.
What are you doing in my house? It's 3 a.m.
This is Blue678. Thank you for watching, and
Don't
I'll see you.
sign off.
I'll see you next time.
calling the
I'll see you when I see you. Peace out.